Hello guys, today we look at the project HUGEL House Music. I think it will be interesting for tech house producers. Okay, let's start it. As you know, the drums should be made as similar as possible. The bass is made very simple. You can see one oscillator, wave, saw, one voices, rhetoric. Next we also see envelope 1. It needs to send to a cutoff filter A and B. The filter looks like this. Filter type low pass, small drive, and we hear closed bass. As you know, Saturn adds strong harmonics, saturating the bass with useful frequencies. After all this comes the EQ. It removes ultra, low, dirty frequencies and not many peaks. You can also see the glue. It just makes the bass smooth. The attack on the minimum scale and the threshold to 5 or 6. The rest in your choice. Step on synthesis very similar on bass. Envelope 1 sent to filter control, type filter low pass, small drive, 8 voices, the tune and rhetoric, and pitch -2. Okay, second envelope sent to pitch and B. This is need to good attack for our step. What do I mean? Same EQ. Also we have two more oscillators. Oscillator AB, 1 voices, rhetoric, pitch -1. Oscillator B2, 4 voices, rhetoric and same detune, pitch -1. Sound processing identical to our bass. Same resonance, small drive, filter type low pass, voices 5, rhetoric and detune. Actually, it's very simple. Their effect you already know. Valhalla Room as reverb automatization. Saturn for density sound, OTT for pumping and classic EQ.